Hello, welcome to my channel Inside Information. The impact of Antarctica's ice melting. A global perspective introduction. Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent, holds about 60% of the world's fresh water, locked in its vast ice sheets. This ice has remained largely intact for millions of years, playing a crucial role in regulating global climate and sea levels. However, with the increasing effects of climate change, scientists are increasingly concerned about the potential consequences if significant portions of Antarctica's ice were to melt. This article explores what would happen if Antarctica's ice were to convert into water and the profound impacts this would have on our planet. Sea level rise. The most immediate and direct consequence of Antarctica's ice melting would be a significant rise in global sea levels. The Antarctic ice sheet holds about 28 million cubic kilometers of ice. If all of this ice were to melt, it could raise global sea levels by approximately 58 meters, 190 feet. Such a drastic rise would submerge entire coastal cities, islands, and low-lying regions worldwide. Major metropolitan areas such as New York, Miami, London, Tokyo, and Shanghai would be underwater, leading to the displacement of hundreds of millions of people. Climate disruption. The melting of Antarctica's ice would not only contribute to sea level rise but also disrupt global climate patterns. The influx of fresh water into the oceans would alter ocean currents, particularly the thermohaline circulation, which plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. These changes could lead to more extreme weather patterns, including more frequent and intense storms, droughts, and heat waves. Additionally, the loss of ice would reduce the Earth's albedo effect, where the white ice reflects sunlight back into space. With less ice, more heat would be absorbed by the oceans, further accelerating global warming. Biodiversity loss. The Antarctic ecosystem is uniquely adapted to its icy environment. The melting of ice would have devastating effects on the region's biodiversity. Species such as penguins, seals, and krill, which rely on the ice for breeding and feeding, would face significant challenges. The loss of habitat could lead to population declines or even extinction for some species. Additionally, the warming of the Southern Ocean could allow invasive species to establish themselves in Antarctica, further threatening native wildlife. Global economic impact. The economic consequences of Antarctica's ice melting would be staggering. Coastal infrastructure, including homes, businesses, and transportation networks, would be at risk of flooding. The displacement of populations would strain resources and lead to economic instability in affected regions. The agricultural sector would also be impacted as changing climate patterns could disrupt food production, leading to shortages and higher prices. Moreover, the insurance industry would face unprecedented claims due to property damage from flooding and extreme weather events. Geopolitical tensions. As sea levels rise and natural resources become scarcer, geopolitical tensions could escalate. Disputes over territory, particularly in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, could arise as countries vie for control of newly accessible resources, such as oil, gas, and minerals that were previously trapped under ice. Additionally, the mass migration of displaced populations could lead to conflicts over land, water, and other essential resources. Conclusion. The melting of Antarctica's ice would have catastrophic consequences for the planet. The rise in sea levels, climate disruption, biodiversity loss, economic impacts, and geopolitical tensions would create unprecedented challenges for humanity. To prevent this scenario, it is crucial to address the root causes of climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy sources, and implementing sustainable practices. The future of our planet depends on the actions we take today to protect Antarctica's ice and, by extension, our global environment.